Once again, at our shipping container project, I had a few requests from you guys with regards of why I haven't posted anything with the containers. The truth behind it is that I haven't done anything inside different. I've been concentrating on this regular construction. I have 22 units going on at the same time. And well, there's a few guys eager to know what has been done and how it has been done on site. Again, not much has been done, but the good news is that we have an addition to the project, which I'll show you in a minute. But I wanted to give you like a 360 kind of deal of where we're at. We're still stuck on the same. We're about to work on a Murphy bed project. But we have a new addition to this project. We have a new member. We have a container which is different than this. And I'll show you in a minute what we have. Look at this amazing day. Greetings from Tennessee, fellow shipping container mafia. So this container is a little bit different, both in dimensions, features, and capacities. The height of this container is 9 feet tall, and one of the main characteristics that is different from the other one is that the floor system is a 24-inch floor system from this edge to the top of the floor, and the side contains 2 double hinge doors. If you can split this container in the middle, these 2 doors hinge together, so you flip this door open and then you open this one more time. And that's the reason that this part right here is 2 feet, because once everything is open, it compromises the structure of the building. But by adding those 24 inches on the main frame of the box, it's strong enough to withhold the same capacity that if it was just filled with corrugated metal. From the middle, this door will hinge to this door, and this door will open wide. And all of a sudden you have a 45 feet opening on the container, because this container is also 45 feet long. The idea on this is that we're gonna put our shop in here, and we're gonna have our storage, our workspace area, and we're gonna stack a few more on top of it, and someone's on the side. So this is gonna be our shop. And I wanted to show you the way it looks outside first, because it's really intriguing. Structure changes dramatically from one side to another to the next one. And the reason, the why behind is what I just explained you on the opening. When you got all this corrugated metal, the structure weakens. And this is what helps reinforce the opening with the capacity load. I'm gonna open it on this side. If you want me to fully open the double gates, you guys gonna have to give me a few views in here, because I'm kind of up in the ropes views wise and subscribers wise. So if you want to see how these look with fully open gates, you gotta give me at least about 10,000 views in here. So it's not up to me, it's up to you. I'm not compromising. I'm telling you, if you want to see this open, give me 10,000 views. That's your job, not mine. But I'm gonna open these right now and show you how it looks inside. Tell us the gate has been opened, and now you can see what I was telling you about, the 24 inches from top to bottom. This is our floor system. It's very standard, just like the old one we had before, with the difference is that since this is utilized for different equipment, loading sideways, I don't know, cars or whatever, you can strap. It has these devices so you can strap from here to here and secure cargo. I'm not an expertise on what they transport, how they transport it, but that's the basics of it. And what we're looking in here is the double gates. This is the first panel, and this is the second panel. It has a hinge on the other side. You can see it right here. And so right now, for transportation purposes, they brace it this way so they don't move and create a problem later on. So now it's safe to remove these braces, which I'm not gonna do till you give me at least 10,000 views. And then we can swing it open. The reinforcements are beef up everywhere. Each gate has 6 points of reinforcement. I'm not an engineer, so I don't know why, but I assume it's because of the load capacity. I'll take a look and show you what the load capacity for this is versus the regular, but that's pretty much it. The smell in here is 100% cedar, which is an amazing smell, by the way. And it looks like this container has been refurbished for the simplicity that I can see multiple colors and multiple work being done in here, but whatever. We're still gonna refurbish it even further. I gotta look for the plate and show you the load capacity. Oh, here it is. So here is our plate. And our load capacity, it's 67,000 pounds. I'll check on those ones and see what's the load capacity. But this is the serial number and all the information that you need. It comes certified, and it has all the documentation and we need for the purposes that we're going to use this container. All right, guys, so this is the info plate for the 40-foot container, and amazingly enough, and I don't know if this is true, but it also have a capacity of 67,000 pounds. You can see it right there. And on the capacity, the difference on this is that this container is a 45-foot container, and when it comes to us, it doesn't have any opening other than the double gates here. So at this untouched envelope, the way it is, at 40 feet, it can withhold 67,000 pounds. But the other one I just showed you is a 45-foot, and it has a 45-foot opening on the side because it can be used for a different purposes than this. The loading is different, the whole thing is different, but it's the same capacity. Now I gotta mention that price-wise, that one doubles. That one right there doubles the price than this. But again, the purpose for the usage of this is different. This is the way that the underside of these containers looks like. This is the area without the gates. And I guess it's because transportation purposes, the goosenecks on the 18-wheelers. It's all eye joists on metal. I don't know the gauge, to be honest. And this is the front of the container. Here it is. And as you can see, these are the gates. Ta-da! So there it is, guys. That's what we currently have on site. And to be honest with you, I cannot wait to start working on this project and show you the progress on it. So there goes Chad Robanks. You asked me to give you an update on the containers. Here's your update. You want to see some more? Well, you're gonna have to give me 10,000 subscribers. Be careful what you wish for, because I'll give you what you guys want. But it's a two-way street. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.